another vlog. It's a gloomy Friday here in SoCal. I know a lot of people love the change in weather. I'm definitely all about summer weather. Not really feeling the weather, but yes, no, do you guys feel me? We are going to go out to eat. We have some errands to run. Let me first share with you outfit of the day because we gotta go. Here is today's outfit of the day. Very comfy and cozy, just for running errands, little lunch. Finally got to wear, no, you see that? Okay, don't mind that. Sweet and Chic collection, the coffee boba tea sweatshirt, and look at that. It wouldn't be me without spilling something. When I was putting the hair oil, a little drop fell and then I tried to take it out. Now we have this ugly stain. Never fails, I'm telling you. I always spill something regardless if it's food or what, or if I'm wearing white. The leggings are from Fabletics. I've had them for a long time now, but I just thought it would pair nicely with it. Normally I would pair this with black leggings, but you know, we wanted to step out of the comfort zone and try something new. And then these pink combat boots, which I'm wearing out for the first time. They're nice and like cushiony, but they're not heavy, and they're pink, so thought these would be really cute. Very simple accessories, just my tin necklace, Apple Watch, Juicy Couture bow backpack. We're kind of pinked out today, but not really. I don't know. I don't think it's too much, but hopefully I can get rid of this stain before we go because it's gonna bother me. First time trying Hanoo Korean BBQ. My mouth is already watering just looking at the sides. Seriously, I love the sides. We have our brisket and bulgogi. So I had to get the rice paper because of Brooke. It's my husband's nephew's girlfriend. Yeah, I'm so hungry.
They're very hot.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I have like 2 rice papers here, but it's okay. It's so good. So focused on the meat, I forgot about the soup. So this is the spicy beef with onion leek soup. I'm a big fan of anything spicy.
You want to wait for the next one? No, that way, no, man. Thank you.
Thank you. That's good. Especially because it's kind of gloomy today, or at least it was earlier. Next up we have marinated beef belly and spicy chicken. Wow. It's delicious. We're enjoying. This is kind of like dinner for us. My stack of rice paper is all gone. I ate that. Basically finished almost everything except the spicy chicken. It was alright, in my opinion. Liked the brisket, the bulgogi, the pork belly. The soup is delicious. I'm just so full. We really enjoyed the food here. Monday through Friday, they have a lunch special, $19.99 or $19.95 per person. I've been craving Korean food, Korean barbecue, so this was like the perfect spot for us to check out because it's not even that far from where we live. The stop is Daiso. Let's get a basket, sorry. Jonathan's in the car. So I have a little bit of leeway. The thing with him is that you can squeeze going to one store. 2 stores is the maximum. You can't squeeze 3 stores with him. It's 2 max. 1 place to eat and 2 stores. That's why whenever I run errands, I don't go with him, because, you know, I'll typically hit up a few different places in that one outing, but him, it's 2 max. Good morning, happy Sunday. I want to share with you really quickly outfit of the day. Just don't mind that the tank is a little bit low. I have to pull it back. Sharing a try-on haul later on this week, but just wearing this cardigan. Not really rust, but it's very fall-esque. Little cami, some skinny jeans, and some booties. So I'm with my mom.
Hi.
We just went to church and now we are here at the Oaks Mall in Thousand Oaks. My mom is hungry again.
Yes, I'm very hungry.
So let's go eat, and I think we're just gonna walk around the mall, run a few errands, and it's a beautiful day here in SoCal. It's actually gonna be like 81 around 2 o'clock, right?
Yes, but right now it's in the low 70s.
Yeah, beautiful weather. I'm going again with the spring rolls.
The wrapper is transparent.
This is exactly what we got last time we were here at the mall. Spring roll with shrimp. And then mine again is the spring roll with tofu. This is, yeah, you should try it. I don't think you tried it last time, did you?
No, I only like the shrimp. And also Daddy likes the shrimp.
Yeah, my dad likes the shrimp spring roll.
Maybe I should take this out.
My mom headed over here to Michael Kors. Let's see if we can find her. That is so pretty. I kind of wish though it had these studs. I wonder if this one's available in this beautiful blush. My mom went to Michael Kors. She was looking for a luggage for an upcoming trip. It's not till next year, till 2022. And she really likes this Michael Kors luggage set, but it's really on the pricier side. But I told her, you know, it's on sale today, and if it's something that she really likes, she should get it. It's a splurge, but when she first saw it, she really wanted to get it. But I told her, why don't you wait until they have a sale? And then now they have a sale. Now she's hesitant about it, so she's kind of, you know, she's not really sure if she should get it. But anyway, we are now in Macy's, and I wanted to share with you this Christmas tree. I mean, first of all, this is a baby pink tree. It's like really a really light pink color. It's so pretty. I don't want to see the price tag though. How much is this? Oof, it's 100. She's 100. I'm sure there's some sort of discount. And look at this Christmas tree. Oh, so beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And this little ornament, the gingerbread house. So cute. How much is this ornament? It's $12. Very pretty. And ice cream. We have some donuts. Our Christmas decorations, I think, are going to be the same as last year. So cute. What is this? I've seen a lot of these. Very similar at Walmart. So very cute. Oh, I like this little touch. Do you see that? It's iridescent. We have a pink nutcracker. Hello. And I've also noticed this year there's a lot of the Santas with seashells. Maybe I've just never paid attention to it the previous years, but I've seen a lot of that even at Home Goods. There's a lot of Christmas decor with a beach vibe to it. I wanted to show my mom this. Look! It's our bunny friend! It's so cute! $30. It's a little bunny. We have bunnies that we feed. They're wild bunnies, but we feed them carrots because they always visit our lawn. So cute. It's been a few hours. What time is it? like 5 o'clock. We basically just checked out Ross, Smart and Final, and that was it. We ended up going home because we couldn't decide where to eat. We were thinking In-N-Out, Arby's, but then we just ended up coming home and then making our own food. Just wanted to share with you from the other day what I ended up purchasing from Daiso and also from Walmart. I have been on the hunt for this item and I've been comparing prices. I've never really bought it just because the price point has always been pretty high. I just didn't feel like for the price point it was worth picking up, and then I saw this at Walmart for a very affordable price. Abby, my husband's cousin, her friend works at Starbucks, have like a bag of coffee beans that I want to grind. I really want to try freshly ground coffee and see, you know, what is the difference. Long story short, which I think it was a long story, so I ended up finding this Cruz coffee and spice grinder, and can you believe this was only $13.88? I was very surprised. Like, I had to scan it to make sure that it was correct. I mean, I know I could have used, we have a, what is it, like a blender, meat processor, but you know, if you're gonna grind coffee, you might as well grind it properly. And I mean, for this price point. So this week I will give it a try, maybe tomorrow, but in a vlog. TheraBreath Invigorating Icy Mint body wash, and this is the Dove Snow Blossom, which I know smells really good. It does smell really good. From Daiso, this marble and pink box. And it just says behave as you think, and I just thought it would be really cute. It was $1.50. So my thinking is this is gonna go underneath my monitor stand, just to put all of the pens that I use to write in my planner, maybe some other little things I just want hidden. For these next couple of items, I gotta give a shout out and thank you to Cutie Pie in the Sky on Instagram. She is a flight attendant and she always has the cutest like post and everything pink. Make sure you go follow her, and she is a lover of Hello Kitty. I was actually DMing her and she had mentioned that Daiso has some new Hello Kitty items. This Hello Kitty Q-tip holder. Now, I did have one of these before, but unfortunately we left it in Alaska. It really is very handy because you just pop it open, put some little Q-tips in here, and I mean, hello. It's Hello Kitty. I think the other one I had was My Melody, if I'm not mistaken. Illustration markers. I think that these are the whiteboard erasable markers. I think what it looks like. What does the other side look like? Oh, has the really small fine tips. Lens cleaning cloth, and I think this is perfect to put with my eyeglasses, because the other day when I wore my eyeglasses I realized I didn't have a cleansing cloth, which I know I did. I used to have a whole bunch of them and they have just disappeared. Hello Kitty, right? Very, very cute. Toothbrush case. I just thought this would be good just in case, say, if your toothbrush is a little bit too large, so you can just kind of stuff it in here. You could always use one of these fancy zip bags. These zip bags really do come in handy. It says Sanrio characters enjoying fun days together. Clay time waffle mold. Ended up getting 2 of these. Here you have the bow and then her face, so I could really see, you know, kind of stamping this onto something and really getting a good image of her face, which I'm hoping, fingers crossed. And here is the waffle portion, maybe to make like a mini sandwich. I'm not even sure, but you know, it'll have Hello Kitty, the shape of her face. Some high chews. This is the acai flavor, which I've never really noticed. We normally always get the mango flavor. I think if you're a fan of acai, I think you will also like this. Now let's open up some PR packages. This is from a brand called Replenix. Oh my gosh. Replenix Anti-Aging Retinol 5 times Regenerate Dry Serum. They sent one, which I believe this is probably the medium size. And they also sent over a travel size with, oh, this is nice. They even sent over with one of the silicone paddles. This is so cool. And in here, what is this? Oh wow, they even sent a nail file. Huge fan of their lightweight moisturizer. Thank you so much, Replenix. This is so sweet of them. Oh, actually, this is a full size of the Retinol 5x Regenerate Dry Serum. Thank you so much, Replenix, for sending this over. Then we have another package from them. This is the Replenix Sensitive Soothing Antioxidant Mist. Contains medical grade ingredients, witch hazel, chamomile extract, green and white tea. Gonna be great to kind of, you know, spritz all over the face at night. Glycolics Elite Replenix Discoloration Glycolic Acid 10% Resurfacing Cream. The Replenix Glycolic Acid 10% Resurfacing Peel. Okay, cool. This really is such a sweet package from Replenix. Thank you so much, Replenix. Trying out a couple of their products, but stay tuned for a monthly obsessions video. We have one more item from Pixi. These are their Pixi Remedy Masks. Pixi Rosé Remedy Mask. And, oh, that's pretty cool. They have a spatula, like, kind of hidden, tucked away there on the side. Milky Remedy Mask. Smoothing Toning Jelly. One of my favorites from their line is the Vitamin C line, and this is the Vitamin C Remedy Mask. Oh, I can't wait to try this one out. Just want to say a huge thank you so much to Pixi and also Replenix for sending over these goodies. Go ahead and end the weekend vlog here so I can start editing it. If you enjoyed this vlog and enjoyed hanging out for the weekend, please make sure you give it a like. It would really mean so much to me. It would truly show your support for my channel. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing evening or day, whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I will see you in the next vlog.